Now let us read the story Lalu and Pilu. Listen and enjoy this story. There was a hen. She had two chicks. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Pilu said, I'll get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. Vinita Krishna. New words. Chicks. Hen. Hot. Plant. Yellow. Let's read. I love plants. The chicks ran to their mother. Reading is fun. Name the chicks in the story. Who liked yellow things? What did Lalu eat one day? Let's talk. Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. What are the other things Pilu could have brought that are both yellow and sweet? Name at least two. Example, a mango. Let's share. Lalu loves red things. Pilu loves yellow things. The color red is called lal in Hindi and yellow is called pila. What do you call these colors in your language? Give names of these chicks using the names of some other colors in your language. Lalu, Pilu. Let's write. Match the chicks to the eggs they have hatched from. One has been done for you. Trace the letters on the eggs. A, E, I, O, U. Let's draw. Trace and color these flowers. Red rose, blue bells, yellow sunflower. Riddle time. Red plus yellow is orange. Red plus blue is purple. Blue plus yellow is green. And white to make them light. So now let's read a new story. And the story name is Mother Hen and the Chicks. Let's act. Come to me, chicks. I want you here. What do you want, mother? Look at me. Do what I do. Down and up. Up and down. Mother, I can do what you do. Look at me. Down and up. Up and down. Look at me, chicks. Do what I do. Up, down. Oh. Mother. The water. Percy is down. Down in the water. Oh, Percy. Percy. Adapted from E.H. Gresham. Act out this story with the class. Teachers' pages.
Teachers' pages.
While working with the children,
While working with the children,
provide them with activities
provide them activities
that are interesting
that are interesting
and challenging.
and challenging.
Give opportunities
Activities
for fun to the children
for fun to the children
and encourage early writing attempts.
and encourage early writing attempts.
Help them to develop the skill
Help them to develop the skills
to identify
to identify
and discriminate objects,
discriminate objects,
pictures, colors, shapes, etc.
etc.
Develop listening skills.
Develop listening skills.
Recite the poem
Recite the poems
to the children
to the children
using appropriate actions,
using appropriate actions,
gestures.
gestures.
Read the story
Read the story
with emphasis on new words
with emphasis on new words
and make sentences
and make sentences
with reference to the story.
with reference to the story.
Develop pronunciation.
Develop pronunciation.
Read the text
Read the text
and say aloud
and say aloud
with the children.
with the children.
8,
Eight,
date,
date,
gate,
gate,
boy,
boy,
joy,
joy,
toy,
toy,
bird,
bird,
turn,
turn,
bees,
bees,
freeze.
fleas.
Exposure to language.
Exposure to language.
Use sight words
Use sight words
in the classroom
in the classroom
such as visuals
such as visual
and cue cards.
and cue cards.
Let the children
Let the children
read these.
read this.
A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
Develop speaking skills.
Develop speaking skills.
The little play on chicks
The little play of chicks
can introduce vocabulary
can introduce vocabulary
in an interesting
in an interesting
conversational way.
conversational way.
Have a talk
Have a talk
on eating healthy food.
on eating healthy food.
Conversation based on role play.
Conversation based on role play.
Divide the class
Divide the class
into 4 groups:
into 4 groups.
red,
Red,
yellow,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
green.
green.
Group red
Group red
to make paper bags.
to make paper bags.
Group blue
Group blue
to collect leaves for eyes,
to collect leaves from eyes,
nose,
nose,
ears.
ears.
Group yellow
Group yellow
to roll a string,
to roll a string.
play dough for whiskers.
For dough for whiskers.
Group green
Group green
to roll a rope,
to roll a rope.
twigs to make tails.
Strings to make tails.
All groups will join to complete
All groups will join to complete
the paper bags.
the paper bags.
The children can decorate them
The children can decorate them
with animal faces
with animal faces
or figures.
or figures.
Afterwards,
Afterwards,
this can be used
this can be used
as hand puppets.
as hand puppets.
You can encourage the children
You can encourage the children
as they go about doing this activity.
as they go about using this activity
Add any other material
as any other material
that you may want.
that you may want.
Material required:
Material required.
any old paper bags,
Any old paper bags,
newspapers,
newspapers,
glue,
glue,
thread,
thread,
rope,
rope,
colored pencils,
colored pencils,
and markers.
and markers.
Imagine you are eating a fruit
Imagine you are eating a fruit
and it falls down.
and it falls down.
Ask the children
Ask the children
what they would do.
what they would do.
Act out a situation
As a situation
when
when
you are hungry,
you are hungry,
you are full,
you are full,
you overate.
you overeat.
Develop writing skills,
Develop writing skills,
fine motor coordination,
fine motor coordination,
write the words hat,
write the words hat,
bed, pin, hot, cut, and numbers 11 to 20
and numbers 11 to 20
on the blackboard.
on the blackboard.
Let the child write numbers
Let the child write numbers
and read from the board.
and read from the board.
Use activity sheets to further encourage the patterns, as on pages 33
As on pages 33
and 39
and 39
and numbers 11 to 20.
and numbers 11 to 20.
Here,
Here,
coordinate with the maths teacher.
coordinate with the maths teacher.
However,
However,
do not force the child.
do not force a child.
Sorting things into groups
Sorting things into groups
is an essential part of learning.
is an essential part of learning.
By differentiating between objects,
By differentiating between objects,
Children start to think about
Children start to think about
similarities
similarities
and differences
and differences
and how things can be categorized.
and how things can be categorized.
So children,
So children,
how to sort leaves
how to sort leaves
and twigs
and twigs
by placing them
by placing them
in two different piles.
in two different piles.
Give children
Give children
colored beads
colored beads
and ask them to
and ask them to
string them
string them
in a sequence.
in a sequence.
For example,
For example,
one blue bead,
one blue bead,
two red beads,
two red beads,
and so on.
and so on.
Or on a string, thread
Thread
2 or 3 beads
2 or 3 beads
and ask the children
and ask the children
the number of beads,
the number of beads,
raising awareness.
raising awareness.
Tell the children
Tell the children
to wash their hands
to wash their hands
before and after meals.
before and after meals.